How to enable two-factor authentication on PlayStation. You can use a computer or phone browser which will allow you to easily scan QR code or type the verification keys. So you simply have to launch any web browser of your choice on your desktop or your mobile device. Then head to the Sony Account Management portal. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on this and then proceed to log into your account with your email and password. Now you simply have to click on the Security tab in the left-hand navigation sidebar. Then scroll down to the two-step verification section, then click the Edit button and select how you want to receive your security code. Authenticator application is one of the most secure ways, or you can also use the text message option. And then once activated, Sony will display a list of backup codes. You simply have to copy or screenshot these codes and save them in a safe place. You will need them to log in if you lose your phone. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.